And more news breaking this minute from the top court. The Supreme Court has agreed to hear a contempt petition against Congress President Rahul Gandhi, contending that the top court said Chowkidar Chor Hair in the Rafale judgment. Former AG Mukul Rohatgi has said that the statement was wrongly attributed to the top court. Alright, the Supreme Court there agreeing to hear a contempt petition against the Congress President Rahul Gandhi, contending that the top court in fact had said Chowkidar Chor Hair in the Rafale judgment. Now remember, BJP's Meenakshi Lekhi has moved the Supreme Court against Rahul Gandhi's comments on the Rafale judgment. This is the big breaking news that is coming in at this point, where the Supreme Court has now agreed to hear a contempt petition against Congress President Rahul Gandhi, contending that the top court had said that after the Rafale judgment that Chowkidar Chor Hair, and in fact it was former AG Mukul Rohatgi who said that the statement that was made was wrongly attributed to the top court. Getting further updates on this, our Deputy News Editor Meenakshi Bhanja on the phone line. Meenakshi, it looks like more trouble there brewing for the Congress President Rahul Gandhi. What more details can you give us at this point?
Well, we do not know whether the Supreme Court will entertain on merits this petition, but the big news coming is how BJP's MP Meenakshi Lekhi has moved Supreme Court against Rahul Gandhi's comments in the aftermath of the recent Rafale verdict. And today we saw former Attorney General Mukul Rohatgi also make an appearance before the Supreme Court, saying that the statement issued by Congress President Rahul Gandhi subsequent to the recent Rafale review verdict of the Supreme Court, where we will recall that Rahul Gandhi said that the Supreme Court now has stated that, and I quote, Chowkidar Chor Hair is something which is highly and grossly objectionable. This is completely contrary to what the Supreme Court, in fact, has said in its judgment, and therefore a contempt case is made out against Congress President Rahul Gandhi. Apurva, it was on the day of the judgment itself, we saw indications coming in from BJP when no less than the top Minister of Defence, Nirmala Sitharaman, conducted a press conference and clarified as to how the nature of comments coming in from Rahul Gandhi post the Rafale review verdict was something which was highly objectionable, because the Supreme Court had merely rejected the preliminary objections of the Government of India pertaining to secret documents for Congress President Rahul Gandhi to have taken it a step further and said that the Supreme Court now has attested to Rahul Gandhi's slogan of allegedly Chowkidar Chor Hair is a gross misrepresentation of the Supreme Court verdict. So on that ground, today a contempt plea has been filed by Meenakshi Lekhi, where we saw former Attorney General Mukul Rohatgi also make an appearance, saying that the statement has been wholly misrepresented by Rahul Gandhi, and Supreme Court now has agreed to hear this contempt petition.
All right, we'll have to leave it there, Meenakshi. Many thanks for joining us and bringing us those details.